Today I'm gonna share with you one of the best Neville Goddard quotes that totally changed my life and my way of thinking. And it's a quote that I read it every day when I wake up in the morning because it reminds me of the things that I need to do during the day, the visualization that I need to do that I started for my future life. Now I'm gonna read the quote. Change your conception of yourself and you will automatically change the world in which you live. That means that you need to change yourself, change the way you think, the way you imagine yourself during the day, the way you want to see yourself and you want others to see you. And the rest will take place itself. Do not try to change people. They are only messengers telling you who you are. Don't need to change people. You really can't. You just need to do the works, to do the visualizations, and the rest will take place itself. Revalue yourself, and they will confirm the change. When you do the works, when you do the visualizations, you need to give first value to yourself, and then they will confirm the change. They will treat you the way you treat yourself in your imagination and in your visualizations. Now I'm gonna repeat it one more time, this quote. Change your conception of yourself, and you will automatically change the world in which you live. Do not try to change people. They are only messengers telling you who you are. Value yourself, and they will confirm the change. Reading this when you wake up in the morning, it will remind you for the works you need to do and the visualization you need to do for your future life. Now I'm gonna put the quote in description, and you can screenshot it and you read it every day when you wake up in the morning. Hope that you liked it.